What is up, YouTube fam? We are here at the house. There's been a bad wreck on the interstate, but we're coming out of Kodak Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, Gallenberg, and them beautiful Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. Woo! Lots to say, but I do love to say it. We've come down here because it is crazy right now, and we're gonna get us some big trucks to honk for us. Get him to honk like this. Honk, honk, honk. He ain't looking. We'll get us a big honker. There we go. Yeah. Woo. Look here. Look here. Yeah. Look here. Get them all to honk for us. Watch. Look here. Look here. Look here. Get another one. Oh, he ain't gonna do it, is he? He ain't looking. Thank you. What do you think about that, boy? Huh? It's a big trucks, ain't it? Guys, I don't know what's going on, but bad wreck down the interstate, and it is just a mess down through there. What do you think, bud?
Another one.
Another one? You see another one? We'll get him here in a second, okay? It's been raining all day. I mean, like cats and dogs, like hardcore. I don't know if y'all can see right there, but it's like over your feet, all the way up through there with water. It's rained so hard. But this is right off exit 407.
Another big one.
There's been a huge wreck.
Another one.
Another one? I bet we look like a bunch of goofballs standing here with a camera looking at these big trucks. Look here, you gonna give him the honk? Honk, honk. He loves it. Let's see if we can get this big in here to do it. We'll get him to honk for us. Here we go. He didn't see it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. There we go. Got him going. Yeah, look here. Yeah. We got some honk honks out of them.
Another one.
Another one right here. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Look here, Daniel. Look right here. Thank you. Look here, big honk honk here. Yeah, honk honk. Look at all these people. What do you think? Thank you. Yeah. That one honk? Okay. Thank you. Look here, this big guy. Yeah. That's what's up. We got them all. All of them. We'll just honk honk. Look right here. Look here. Blue one? Okay. Let's see if we can get him. Yeah. Thank you. We got him honk honking. A big truck. A big truck.
That was red.
I know. Let's get him to honk. Go like this. Gotta go like this. Yeah, that's what's up. And guys, them truckers love it as well, man. It's awesome. It feels so cool. Let's see if we can get them this way. Anybody coming this way? Nobody? Uh-oh. No? Alright guys, we're done. We're gonna do a little more honk honk, but we love you all. The Great Smoky Mountains are looking beautiful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you never know what we're going to do. That's Tennessee for you. Man, I hope everybody's safe though. That's on a real note. Now I know, really loud. But I hope everybody's safe. God bless you all. Hit that subscribe, and God bless you all. See y'all next time.